Hey guys, welcome to my channel Green Mate. Here I comes with another topic on the discussion how to concise notes. Concise notes is very much important to crack any exam. NEET PG, in fact in the earlier times NEET UG, NEET PG, fmge, INIZ, any types of exam, the concise note is very much important because we all have books. We all have the resource materials. We all have, nowadays sources are not limited. It's plenty of sources. Just we need to concise it, precise it, and then revise it. These three is the most important term. I have listened to this one. Has been copied from my seniors who have told me already. Concise it, precise it, and revise it. This is the most important motto to crack any exam. So everybody has a say that you need to concise your source. Everybody and then revise. But what do you mean by concise resource? Today, so in this video, I am going to say that actually what do you mean by concise resource? Okay, so now I am going to say how to concise note. Concise notes is that Scripps note which contains all the important topics. I will tell you that what are the important topics of a subject which is must to do topic and that needs to be read before giving for exam. Okay, this is what concise notes mean. Now the question arises, what is the important topics? In my previous video, I have already discussed about what are the important topics of a subject. Just like in my previous video, I am giving the link in the share. You just click in that. The only revision strategy for NEET PG 2025. I have discussed plenty of time that what are the important topics that you need to be study about each and every subject. Okay. In short, you can see that in 2x speed. In short, I can say that. You need to focus on PYTs, PYQs, proper integrated topics, especially listen, PYTs, PYQs, everyone says, and it's also important also, but in this current scenario, especially in this NEET 2024, I have realized that they don't focus at all only on the PYTs and PYQs. It comes 20 to 30 questions, max to max I say it can come 50 questions. And there are 200 questions. Then where are the 150 questions are coming from? How we will get that, feel that from where these 150 questions might come from? We need to first have an idea while reading first revision, second revision. We need to have an idea while solving the question bank. While solving clinical topic questions, proper integrated topics, which is the most important, and topic every faculty emphasize. I am saying that nowadays you read a topic from this faculty, from this platform, the same topic you also read from another faculty and from that platform. Or I'm not asking to read the same topic from various platforms. For example, just like for one time you have read the main videos. Okay. Second time you are seeing the TND videos. 2 times you have got the important topic mark out. Third time you are seeing the revision notes, rapid revision videos. Third time you are seeing the MCQ discussion videos or the TND videos. If it's means same. Again you are solving the question bank. Again you are giving GT. Again you are giving custom modules. The topics they are always focusing on. That is the most important topic. That has the great chance of coming in the exam. That's the most important topic. That must be in a concise notes. Along with PYTs and along with PYQs. Got it? Now into the next part. How to concise notes. Concise notes of it can be of handwritten notes, it can be of printed notes. Okay, in the later part of the videos I am going to show my concise notes of both handwritten and printed. Okay, So I have made handwritten notes, the main notes of all the 19 subject I have made. It's for myself. You can have all your 19 subject printed notes also, or you can have all your 19 subject handwritten notes also. Depend on the platform you choose. If you choose the offline platform, it may be your offline handwritten notes, or if you choose the online platform, it can be both handwritten and the printed notes also. So the handwritten of a particular subject is well concised. Then just if your handwritten note of a particular subject is well concise, if you think, for example, like anesthesia and soft subject, you know these are the important topics that are in an offline platform. These are the faculties have taught enough. We don't need to read more about this topic or less about this topic. In a single copy, in 50 to 60 pages, I have well concise this topic, this subject. I'll just give it a read and highlight it, and just that's what I have said. Highlight it with the highlighter and bookmark with sticky notes. Just write this is the important topic starting from this page, or what are the important PYQs came from this page, what are the important PYQs, which year it has came in INSET, in AIMS, in FMG. Just highlight it and go to the next topic. Okay. Here example means I have written in my case the microbiology, and I have concise with BTR, and my main notes is well concised. My faculty from where I had read microbiology, it was a comprised of 150 pages. The whole microbiology is well concised. So I didn't feel any thought of going to any other further revision notes or rapid revision notes. I am just well oriented to my main notes, and I give just a brush through it with the BTR. Okay. And again, concise notes of a printed note. Okay, concise notes of a printed note. Printed notes also needed as well, because 19 subjects notes is very tough to write also, and all printed notes also you cannot have, especially like subjects like medicine is so huge. I think it is better for you to go any offline platform, or you give handwritten notes, so that medicine notes is well concise, so that you can read before the exam. And yeah, if you get a printed notes, no problem, you can have it. You can have the printed notes also. We need to concise, and it depends also. Just like for me, you can, for example, printed notes you can have like narrow revision videos. Okay, they also give the printed notes. That is actually from a faculty point of view. That is most important. Faculty thinking that this is the most important part, and this may come out exam, or this might have come before the exam. So these are the most important topic. So everybody has an individual thinking. You also thinking that these are the most important topics, but also if you think in some while solving question you are getting some another important points, you are thinking this question had come twice or thrice, so you get that from another source and just copy and just write it there, so that you didn't forget that this is also an important topic, and just have a go through before going for the exam. Okay. One more important thing I need to say: choose wisely your printed notes as per your strength. You may question why you are saying this topic. I mean to say, for example, I am example. Like I have read Sakshi ma'am's Obs and Gynae. Okay, so I thought if I get an rapid revision or notes concise of ma'am in few pages, so it will be very helpful, because because I already have read ma'am's note, I know ma'am's way of teaching. So if I get the ma'am's concise notes, it will be very helpful for me. So I have thought that to read from ma'am's book, One Touch Guide. That is the very important book, and very concise book, and it contains all the important notes. I have with it. I can show you, and I have that mark also with all the. This is the book. Okay. And I have marked with all the sticky notes, bookmark, and you can see the condition of my book. See, this is the most all I have written, all the previous year question. This is how you make a concise notes. Just tick, underline the topics, important it. Write that 2000, 2022, 2023 in NEET So this is how you concise your notes. Okay, this was my printed note. Of course, it was a kind of a book, and I have concised it with a PYQ's topic. PYQ's topic I have underlined that this has come in NEET 2000 this, NEET 2000 that, and if I got some any more important topic from other source while studying, I have written in that sticky notes. You have already seen through. Okay, so this is why I have said if you get that faculty member or any that faculty that related topic concise note, so it's very helpful for you to revise, because so you frequently don't need to change your teacher, because a teacher is teaching from a point of view, your mindset is also a same, and you are getting revision videos from another point of view, then again you have to change your mindset. That mindset change is very difficult. You need to focus on single thing. So revision strategy is very important, and you need to choose your revision notes very wisely, both printed notes and yes, if you have handwritten notes, you may highlight those notes, modify, consolidate with PYTs, PYQs, and more important topics. Anything you got in test and discussion, that also you can write in that topic. You have got some good questions, or you have some of that faculty, and then you consolidate in that handwritten notes, add some sticky notes, and your subject is of that, and your concise notes of that topic is fully completed. Okay, so I am now showing my few, just now I have shown my obs gynae, and now I am showing, this was the printed notes, and now I am showing my handwritten notes of the some revision notes of microbiology and medicine. I have all 19 subjects. Let's show example of these two only. Okay, so this is my medicine copy. Okay, so it was it's full integrated with all the subjects, and it's what in this topic only, CVS, neuro, full recipe, nephro, is all integrated. Like I have just integrated with like considered NEET 2018. This has come important topics. I have marked like these important topics. So this is how I have concised my notes, and just I have give a good read. PYT 2019 AIMS. This is how I have just consolidated my topic, and I have integrated with BTR. Yeah, BTR, there I have integrated with each and every chapter, like patho, physio, integrated with medicine in chapter wise sequence, like hematology, nephrology, respiratory, rheumatology. Here with all the important, and during first read I read medicine with a single subject only in top, like the medicine whole I have read in this notes, and this is my main note, and I have integrated this my handwritten notes, and I have integrated here only, and I have made this one only as my revision source, nothing else. I have used this, and just what I told before, that I have BTR and DVT as well, to get some important edge over some important topics, and some faculties point of view, so that I can remember the important topics which I was forgetting very badly. This is how I concise my medicine. This is my microbiology. Okay, so like parasitology, it was my main notes. My main notes was very much concise. It was full of like this. You can see how concise it is. That time while the diagram was not there, then in the TNDs I have shown this diagram too also. So I have drawn this using my sticky notes and this diagram, and I have kept it here. So the notes is now full completed, and this X shapes and all, so that my notes, and I have to keep it as a differentiating manner, so that you don't need to read these topics separately. Differentiating helps us to read the important topics also, and along with how to rule out the options also, which options to rule out, when and what. So you can see how it is concise, well concise my microbiology notes. So this is how I have concised mine, and this is my flow chart. Like this in small intestine, the secondary, then this all the larvas, then this all small intestine, which are the small intestine worms, large intestine worms. Another name, enterovirus vermicularis, spin worm, trichura fifth worm. So like this, my and then this is some mnemonics, and then some separately important topics like this choti, solium, etc., which some important topics rather than this chart. This chart is very much important, and some extra important topics. So you can see when the notes is concise, it looks like bapre, so huge. Actually it's very easy. So I always focus on, and I'll always everyone, so you make your handwritten notes concise there, so that you have a good grip and edge over it. Make your diagrams there, do it, and here the X shapes and all, and the mythology comes. Any important topics, so I made it with my extra edge for this and all. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is some important topics which I had might be left while the main notes. And it's immunology, and this one is parasitology, virology. This one is the bacteria. And yes, here also I have integrated this one with BTR, and this is my BTR integrated annotated. I have printed out all ma'am's annotated notes so that I can revise at one go. Here I also have used this as a biochemistry. My sole biochemistry revision was BTR along with PYQ, PYT topics, and marrow revision notes also I have used. I have to copy that marrow revision which are there and which was not done, and which I thought is important from mainly from the EMS point of view, because EMS people focus mainly on the biochemistry. So you can see it's like full, it's all something integrated here. And this was my sole biochemistry resources. So this is how I integrated myself. Now BTR is also providing annotated book. That time it was not available, so I have printed out with mine ma'am's notes, and then I have integrated myself as my sole biochemistry source. This was biochemistry. I have shown you biochemistry, I have shown you microbiology, I have shown you medicine, and if you want to ask me what are the other subject which I have used, you can, I am giving you the link, preparation strategy. There I have written all the subject each and every resources I have followed for my NEET 2024. Okay, so let's come to the conclusion of this video. Listen, I have said from my point of view, like this is how it can be, and it is, and I have also gained some experience from my seniors who used to show these and who used to ask me, and we used to provide videos on YouTube. Yes, I also learned many things from YouTube only. They showed their experience, they shared, and here also I'm sharing my experience so that you guys fellows can learn from myself and you can apply it to, and anything. And concising notes is fully up to your part. Anything from your point of view you feel that this is important, this is how it can be done also, it's always welcome. You are giving exam, you will understand you much better than anyone else. So I have shared my point of view, your point of view is as well as very good, so no problem. Best of luck, all the best wishes. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like to my video. Okay, bye bye.